Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make chicken shawarma. I'm using chicken breast. I'll slice the chicken to be flat so it can cook easily. Here are the seasoning I'll be using for the chicken. I'll season with garlic powder, onions powder, season powder, dried pepper, salt, oil, lemon juice. I mix to combine them together. I'll cover and leave to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, in a pan, I'll add a little bit of oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken and cook them on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. When the chicken is cooked on one side, flip them to the other side to cook. And you can also do this in the oven as well. When the chicken is ready, I'll remove from the pan. I'll be using hot dogs. I'll add the hot dogs inside the pan. I'll stir and cook them. When the hot dogs are ready, I'll remove them from the pan. And I'll be cutting the chicken into small sizes. I'll set that aside. Next, I'm also going to be using cabbage, and I'll cut the cabbage and slice them. And I'll grate the carrot. The carrot is clean already. Let's make the sauce. To make the sauce, I'm using mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili, dried pepper, and lemon juice. The lemon juice will balance the taste, and this is very important. I'll mix it. That is done. In a large bowl, I'll add the cabbage, carrots, Onions is optional. Chicken, and the sauce. I will mix them together. I'll be using shawarma bread, and this is the one I'm using. I'll remove them from the bag and separate it. Add the filling, hot dog, and wrap it. Like so. I'll put this aside and repeat the process until everything is done. The next part, I add the filling. If you don't like hot dogs, you can make it without hot dogs as well. I'll wrap it. To seal the wrap, I'll heat up a pan and place the shawarma on the pan. Heat it on each side. And when they are ready, I'll remove them from the pan. Can you see how delicious the shawarma looks? To wrap the shawarma, I'll be using a parchment paper. You can use a foil as well. Wrap the shawarma to keep it warm. The chicken shawarma is ready. Serve and enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.